Let me get your take on the too big to fail argument. We've had this talk for a lot coming up, the debate over which banks out there are too big to fail and should be actually broken up or changed.
Senator Warren brought this up again this week. What do you think that process should look like? Because I know you do share that concern and have voiced it quite vocally.
Well, we have our own proposal from the Dallas Fed. It's very simple. You take the standard intermediation process of taking deposits, making loans. That's in the commercial bank side of a complex financial holding company. Only provide two things for that part of a bank holding company. One is the kind of deposit insurance we provide and Americans are used to. The other is only allow that part of a financial holding company to have access to the discount window of the Fed. And I think then you would have market forces operate, because we know that these very large behemoth institutions have a funding advantage. And I'm not talking about breaking them up so much as leveling the playing field so that we have free competition. This is not the way capitalism is supposed to work. They're basically subsidized by the federal government. And their customers and their creditors and the managers and the executives and everybody else just assume, as we saw last time, that if something goes wrong, they'll be bailed out. That's not the way market capitalism is supposed to work.
Well, this is what Ms. Warren mentioned yesterday, that there is this subsidy. What would you like to see happen with that subsidy?
I want to take it away. I want to make sure that others don't have a disadvantage. The subsidy comes in terms of a cost of funding. Whether it's the BIS or Andrew Haldane from the Bank of England or us, we've all given different numbers. We know it's there. It's hard to quantify. But it is unfair to others that are trying to compete in that sector. Now, Ms. Warren's very interesting, because I hear the same arguments from Republican members of Congress as well. Or Senator Vitter, a good, solid conservative from Virginia, who's authored a bill with Senator Brown, who's a Democrat. This is one issue, Maria, that can cross the party lines. Democrats and Republicans can agree. And I think the proposal that Harvey Rosenblum and the Dallas Fed and I have put forward has actually got legs.